Hello guys, welcome to Tech Uncovered, the place where you can find the latest news from the tech industry. So, only a week before the Unpacked event that will happen on the 11th of February, where Samsung is supposed to unveil the new Galaxy S20 family and the Galaxy Z Flip, we have another leak, only this time not with the S20 but with the Galaxy Z Flip instead. A couple of weeks ago, the first images with the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip have leaked. As most of you already know, Z Flip is the next foldable smartphone from Samsung, but this time they went with a clamshell folding phone instead of a tablet that's folding in half. There are no official informations yet regarding the specification of the phone, but Max Weinbach claims that the phone will have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, the processor that was released last year by Qualcomm, a 6.7-inch screen, 12 megapixel rear cameras, a 10 megapixel selfie camera, but only a 3300 milliamp hour battery. According to him, the price of the phone will be around £1,300. Thanks to Ben Gaskin, now we have a real hands-on of the Galaxy Z Flip. As you can see, it has indeed two rear cameras and a hole punch camera in the middle of the display, and also it looks like it will be a very tall phone, so probably the aspect ratio will be 21:9, which will make the phone perfect for watching videos. Let me know in the comments what do you think about the new foldable phone. Would you buy it? That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and if you want more news from the tech industry, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.